Do you know why the best negotiators come from the police and the FBI? I don't want to teach you how to negotiate with a hostage taker. I translate the experience and the knowledge from the police department and from the FBI to the business world and to politics. In this negotiation course, you will learn how to use a deadlock scenario to your advantage. This course is for experienced negotiators, if you lead a team, and if you have to master a tough negotiation. Here you can see a dashboard, what you will learn, how it works. You can download a digital preparation checklist, and you can contact our team at any time. To analyze your advantage and your potential in a negotiation, you can complete our negotiation skills profile test and the MBTI test, always focusing on negotiations. After completing your tests, you will receive a test result which you can discuss in our virtual negotiation classroom. Now you are well prepared to watch our lessons, and as you can see, you can download a workbook for every lesson. We have prepared a lot of exercises for you. Please analyze these role plays.
So Han, if I may summarize the discussion that we had today. So we will continue with a 3-year contract.
You will find a lot of additional information. You can download my book, you can watch some interviews, you will find some insights, and you can watch our negotiation breakdown. My name is Matthias Schranner, and this is the Schranner concept.